There's mine, 99. Haven't done much since last video. All I did was put the C in there. This is my brother's, 97 auto, 12 valve. Bought it for $2 grand. Only needed a sensor under the hood, 220 bucks. No big deal. His wouldn't start this morning. We're gonna see if we can't get it started. We got the key from him. Fucking hate that buzzer. Here we go. Oh, she lives. Almost biffed it. Man, mine was a chugging and chugging this morning. I'll post more videos of cold starts here, you know. I won't post too many, but I'll post a few.